Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. This is the final day, and I'm with the mighty Thanos. And this is a real Thanos, by the way, before any Marvel character. It is Marvel, isn't it? Yeah, Avengers. Today's the day we're going to pick up the car.
Oh, this is what you call bareback, look.
Yeah, I know. We've chose the wrong day to come down here. It's a Saturday. The car wash is really busy.
Listen, Paul, you need to put the number plates on.
Yeah.
Put the badge on. It's all done, mate.
It's all done, I know.
And the wipers, sorry.
All
Give
right.
me a hand with that, please. Let's see that. Is it lined up? You can always move it. I think it's
Yeah.
good enough.
It's good enough.
Yeah?
Right, what do you reckon? Now with this, we need.
That's much nicer.
Let me just get some degrees.
Yeah, we need a straight eye for that one as well.
Paul, you know what? You need to line this up properly, actually, because that's not. Is that straight there? I'm just guessing with that.
Yeah, that's it. Man, it's one of those things. See, it's not.
It's alright, man.
It's not straight. I know. I know. Let's.
I think it's perfect, mate. Don't touch it.
Do you know what? You've got.
The round bit.
I'm trying to.
You need a bit up because you have to see it from maybe on that side of it.
And yeah, I suppose we've got to get we've got to get the circle right. Yeah, that's where we've got to get perfect.
Okay, that's it.
That's it.
That's 100%.
Straight line is much better, isn't it?
Yeah, it was a bit curved on this one, but I think it did. That's bang on.
All right, do you like that, man? Do you like that effect?
I do. That it makes the car look more
I do
bigger.
like that little gun.
Look at it now, man. That
No,
looks.
it makes the car look bigger.
You know, them old badges, they look like they're off transporters. They overhang by that much.
They're very cute. This one is cute. That's
It's
much better.
it's
suits
better,
it
isn't
more,
it?
innit?
It's beautiful. That suits the car, actually.
Definitely.
It makes it look wide, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
I
makes
think.
it bigger, man.
Look, and now if you go to the side, look at that.
It's flush.
It's not flush, but it's
clean, man.
going
you
in
just
now.
See the bump of that,
Yeah,
man.
it
No,
look.
that's beautiful, man.
You know, VW should think about this.
That's much nicer there.
I think it's all right, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's
that's
with
it.
this line.
Right,
They're going with this center line there. 1,000,000%. This is the line. 1,000,000%. Can you see how he's lining up?
So they're going by.
No,
Yeah.
no. Look what they're going. They're going by that. And
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, it is because
Okay.
it's coming up exactly as that.
if you check some other car, the badge is differently. I'm telling you.
100%.
I've seen
I've seen it.
Sometimes
And then-
you have to see it where it suits it.
And some people won't even bother with badges, but you know, we're trying to keep OEM here.
You see now, it's exactly here on the corner.
Yeah.
That's the end of it.
All right.
What do you think? That matches with that one? With the
Yeah.
line?
Where you think it matches?
Well,
Because we don't have to go exactly
no,
with that.
I would
okay?
put it here.
All right. I agree. I agree.
Yeah.
The same as the tape.
The width.
Same size as the tape.
Okay, so that's a good thing. Now, what we do is
That should now not fall out. Yeah, there's no way they should fall out.
yeah, and we have to guide with the tape, and that's a good thing. Look at that.
It's a bit more.
Where do you want it? I
Left
think
a
it's
bit.
here. Or left? Right, you mean?
I think that way a little bit.
Don't forget you got the black bit.
I am. I'm
That's
looking at the
eye.
black bit.
Look at the eye.
I am looking at the black bit.
Well, look-
Don't worry. No, I am looking at the eye.
Exactly. Where do you want it?
About 1.5 inches.
I think that's a.
About an
Paul,
inch.
this one is exactly here.
All right, go for it.
I'm telling you.
Go
Right,
for it.
stick
Go
it,
for it.
man.
Go for it.
I think
Yeah.
it's perfect.
Okay. Bloody hell, all this.
That's it. Now it's wide. That's where it is now. Don't you think? Or is it gone again?
No, that's alright. That's better, man.
Before it was here.
Yeah.
No, that's perfect.
Have you
man.
pressed it?
No, I didn't, but you can't play with it
Wait,
anymore.
hold on.
No, no, should we, let's press it.
It's done, man.
Let's press it.
That's perfect. Why are you worried? That's
That's
better.
fine.
That's perfect, man.
It's smaller than the last one.
You know what? When you put badges, it looks strange because your eye is not used to it.
Yeah.
But if you buy the car and the badge is already there, you're never gonna
Yeah,
detect
you're never
anything.
gonna look at it, yeah.
Yeah, it's starting to rain now as well. Great time to get a respray. Yeah,
You know these, you can get like a clear plastic new film on these when you
can you?
yes,
New one.
get new one because it was rattle when you put the music on from the bass. You'll hear.
Is that why I'm getting a rattle on that
Yeah,
side?
That's it.
All
Change
right.
them because they're all ripped off. Right, I did do that. There was all
No, I know they were because the speakers have changed. They were already ripped when I
Anyway,
bought the
get
car.
some new ones because they're not expensive.
All right.
Right. You should change the bottom lights, they're yellow, to match a bit, no?
What's that?
The side lights.
Don't you think the yellow ones look nice?
Yeah, but it's one yellow, one. Do you reckon they're good?
Oh yeah. No, yeah, just get fresh ones, innit?
Yeah.
Fresh little 501 bulbs, man.
You know your side lights? They're the old style, yellow ones.
Yeah, but
You left them like that on purpose?
2003 it has to be like that. No? I think it has to be like that.
You reckon?
Yeah.
What, it was genuine?
You've got to think this is a teenager this car as well.
Is it? Listen. Give you a wash.
Posso gas e refile.
Oh, I'll see you on Monday. Good luck. I'll see you there. Hey. He's gone.
That's it, it's gone.
And that's to give the car a respray. How you doing, man?
How you doing?
Oh my
You
god.
alright?
Yeah, man.
They're all aluminium on these.
A lot of stone chips on the bottom of this. Cura stuff. That's the metal plate there now, yeah?
it's rusted.
And the thing is, how far has that gone into the pillar?
That will bubble up in no time.
If we can get the guy to take the windows out.
This one wouldn't fit in there.
No, no, I have to change the whole thing.
A small job becomes bigger
Yeah.
when it comes to the body shop.
So that had to come out. That had to come out.
The rust came up here.
And we've saved the back window, which is what I wanted. Explain to me why it's black primer.
That white primer never covers because it's a blue pearl.
A Merry Christmas. It's very different. I can see why you didn't want me here.
It's all cured, so once the seal is there, it's better. This car is upsetting me.
Your painting is prettier than your face.
Oh, everything's better than my face.
And today, I'm going to try and help you put some of this back together. Oh no, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Come to this man for the best resprays. The electrics onto this mechanical mirror. We find wife for Anton.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look around. Right, we're finally out in the peace and quiet of a car park in the park. Unfortunately, there's one or two vans around at the moment, so if you can hear diesel engines running in the back, I am sorry. She's absolutely spectacular. The sun has gone in a little bit, and we're not getting the pearl effects at the moment. Maybe we are on camera, I'm not sure. Driver's side, the most notable thing is the stubby that we've put on. I've put new wind deflectors as well on the car. Yeah, she's looking really great. Kind of makes them wheels stand out a little bit. There are chrome shadows and are newer than it was. Or we've turned the clock back to 2003. If you see a few marks on the car, please forgive me about that, yeah? I've had to drive up here. And we swing round to the front. You can see our headlamps refurbished. Thank you, Zach, and thank you, Arton, for finishing that. This was really peppered with stone chips before, and you know, a freshly fronty painted car like this, it looks so new. It looks so more appealing now. Little ram air thing showing off quite gracefully, and from the front, it's better now that both the mirrors are the same size. All right, so round to the left side of the car. Remember, we had the welded plate going to this bottom sill. The other side was okay. This one, fresh new welded plate. By the way, Arton's painted all of this with stone chip. Put a layer of stone chip and then the paint on top. The arches are still going to hit. It probably eventually still wear, but let's not be negative. Let's look at all the good stuff. Yeah, really is sparkling. Really is sparkling. At some point this year, I'm going to do the calipers. These GTi calipers, we've got to get them sparkling up again. Unfortunately, where you've got old bits on the car, they all stand out now. That's why I had to replace them wind deflectors. These indicators are a right waste of time. I'm just going to get a genuine set for that because they're already condensated. Probably the most appearance difference is at the back with the smaller Volkswagen badge. Believe it or not, that is slightly smaller, only slightly, than the original. Yeah, I think she looks lovely, especially this arse end. It's so almost Mark IV Goldfish. It's like a Mark IV R32 had a raunchy night with a Volkswagen Beetle, and this was what come out of it. But oh, by the way, this handle here is not an original handle. This is one of these pattern parts, and I don't know if you could see that there, but we've got a tight gap at the top, and then here it kind of flares open. And these are adjustable, these handles, but it's been adjusted. This is the best we can get it. So I've got an original handle going on there. I've given it to Arton already. He's going to paint it, but there's no rush there. The main thing is we've got the car out, and she's well, she speaks for herself. I mean, if I was a soppy git, I'd probably get a bit tearful. That's the final episode done, guys. There's no more on this respray vlog. The car's done. Finally got back into my hands. Kind of missed it. I'm still chuffed about what's happened. You know, she looks sensational. It makes me almost scared to drive the car. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the videos and leaving positive comments and some good advice. We'll be back soon with some more videos on the Lupo, and all I can say is, in the words of Vinnie Jones, it's been emotional. Okay, my friend.
You're selling it or what?
No. I'm keeping it, man.
Oh, you love the car?
Yeah, man.
That's all right. Good.
See you, man. Have a nice day.